Welcome back, travel enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the must-have travel gadgets of all time. These cutting-edge devices will enhance your travel experience, making your trips more convenient and enjoyable. Let's get started. First up, smart luggage. These innovative bags are game changers for modern travelers. Smart luggage comes equipped with features like GPS tracking, built-in chargers, and even digital locks. Brands like Away, Samsara, and Travel Pro offer models that ensure you stay connected and secure on the go. No more worrying about lost bags or dead devices with these tech-savvy companions. Next, let's talk about staying powered up with portable chargers and power banks. A reliable portable charger is essential for keeping your devices powered throughout your travels. Look for power banks with high capacity and fast charging capabilities, like the Anker PowerCore or RAV Power models. These devices are compact, lightweight, and can charge multiple devices simultaneously, ensuring you never run out of battery. For those long flights or noisy commutes, noise-canceling headphones are a must-have. Noise-canceling headphones, like the Sony WH-1000XM5 or Bose Quiet Comfort 45, provide an immersive sound experience by blocking out ambient noise. Perfect for flights, trains, or just relaxing in your hotel room. These headphones offer comfort and superior sound quality, making your travel experience more enjoyable. Staying connected while traveling internationally is easy with the right travel adapters and universal chargers. A universal travel adapter ensures you can plug in your devices anywhere in the world. Models like the Apica Universal Travel Adapter and the Bestec Travel Converter offer multiple ports and voltage compatibility, making them indispensable for international travelers. These compact devices save space and eliminate the need for multiple adapters. Staying connected is crucial, and portable Wi-Fi hotspots are the perfect solution. Portable Wi-Fi hotspots like the Skyroam Solus and GlocalMe G4 Pro provide reliable internet access wherever you go. They offer pay-as-you-go data plans, eliminating the need for expensive international roaming fees. These gadgets are perfect for working remotely, staying in touch with loved ones, or navigating unfamiliar areas. Capture stunning travel footage with compact drones designed for travelers. Drones like the DJI Mini 3 Pro and Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus are lightweight, easy to pack, and offer high-quality video and photo capabilities. They're perfect for capturing unique perspectives and unforgettable travel moments. With features like obstacle avoidance and automated flight modes, these drones make aerial photography accessible to everyone. And there you have it, folks. These must-have travel gadgets will enhance your travel experience and keep you connected, comfortable, and prepared. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel tips and gadget reviews. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.